ASX electric hoist for curved monorail cranes. This electric hoist is designed for operation on I-beam tracks. It features a full range of double trolley design, which reduces wheel pressure compared to the original single trolley, distributing the load more evenly. This improved distribution significantly enhances the local bending strength of the I-beam beneath the main girder and overall stability. The ASX hoist includes a double rope design, ensuring that the center line of the hook's wire rope always aligns with the hoist's center line. This keeps the hook's position stable regardless of the lifting height. During lifting, both the pulley beam and hoist structure experience uniform force, preventing uneven loading of the hook and extending the hoist's lifespan while increasing safety. The hoist employs a hard-surfaced planetary reduction gear housed within the drum, increasing the lateral lifting limits. The gearbox is pre-filled with aviation grease before leaving the factory and utilizes a skeleton oil seal, meaning no oiling is needed after production, ensuring maintenance-free operation and reducing the risk of oil leakage, which saves on maintenance and costs. It features a 4-stage adjustable rotating line position with a built-in planetary structure, offering high sensitivity and robust safety performance. The limit switch can be equipped with encoders and overspeed switches, and the double rope design for the hook provides a foundation for automated data visualization on platform readings. The guide rope device is made of polymer materials, ensuring durability. When replacing the guide rope device, simply loosen the bolts at the end. There's no need to re-spool the rope or remove the hook, addressing industry pain points and enhancing installation efficiency.